What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change the date and or time on your iPhone. So the first step to this process is to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once the Settings app is open, you're going to scroll down to the third block and hit General. And then to the fourth block, you should scroll down and see Date and Time all the way at the top. And from here, you're going to be presented with a lot of different options. But there's also the option to set automatically if you want to just adjust to the time zone that you're in. This is good when you're traveling a lot. Or you could just manually set the time by clicking Set Automatically Off. And then from here, you could see the menu to change not only the date, but the time below that. So that right there is pretty much all the information you need to know on how to change your date and time on iPhone. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thanks. And check out our other videos, linked in the description.